Little dribbler on the third base side. They'll go for an infield base hit.
It's a wise decision by Beltre, just holding on to that baseball.
Little dribbler on the left side. Going to be a tough play for Elvis Andrus. Throws on the run, and Trout is safe on another infield base hit.
It's going to look like 2 line drives.
6-2 Angels. They get those 2 runs back with 14 home runs. Cole takes off, and Trout drives one out to center field. Martin giving chase. He's at the wall. Gone. A big fly for Mike Trout. 13-2 Angels.
How about that production? You're 1-2 in your lineup. 6 for 6. 6 runs scored. 3-run home run for Mike Trout.
1-1. This one's pulled through the hole on the left side. A 2-out base hit. So there it is. First 4-hit game. Bobbled for a second by Smolinski, but Trout not going anywhere.